From the very beginning, Vertex was designed to be a multi-system and multi-user product. Our goal was that multiple systems connected in a network session behaved as one big system. To achieve this, you can switch to the Systems tab, and per default you will see your local system. I can now also rename it. I'm going to call this my surface. I can now open up the systems tree, and I will see an entry called Available Systems. In here, I will see every system inside of the network which has Vertex installed on it. If I do a right click on this system, I have different options. For example, I can start Vertex remotely, I can stop it, or as in our case, I will add my second notebook as a session member. As soon as I do that, in my All Systems tab, I will now see a second system added to the session. I can now also rename this. I'll call this my notebook. And for example, if I now enter my render editor and go to my display surfaces, I can now see not only my local display surface, but also the display surface for my second notebook, which I can add and manipulate as if it would be one big system. Also, per default now, every content I add into the project will be spreaded to every system connected in this session. You can see the progress of these content transfers happening inside of the content transfer monitor. In further tutorials, we will look at the session concept in depth to understand, for example, how to only spread content to a certain system, or to define certain system roles for different connected systems.